Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I go about collecting some dahlia seeds. This is a border that I've got everything from seed this year, so I'm really pleased with it. As you can see, some beautiful dahlias here, absolutely gorgeous. So move along. These are absolutely, these cosmos smell gorgeous as well. As you can see, I've got some cosmos seeds here. But these are my dahlia seeds. You can get these just here. These are when they just start to get ready, as you can see. And they open up like this when they're ready, as you can see there. So, first of all, I shall just cut, like so, get a couple here. And then I should put them straight in this bag here. You can see, I don't want to spill any, and get them in the bag, like so. And then just let's have a look. I'll just have a look here. Yeah, this is the first time I've collected dahlia seeds. But as you can see, there's my little cat, Snowy. Just have a look here. Yeah, as you can see there, the seeds are in between the petals. You can see that, really nice, viable seeds they look like anyway. I could probably just sow a few. That's quite beautiful actually, that, once it's emptied. Do I like that? Yeah, so these are my seeds. They all need sorting because, I'll just show you this here. These, as you can see, they're just in between the petals there, so spilling in loads, but never mind. And they're nice viable seeds. I should sieve these, because I think most of these should blow away. Most of the hubs. I won't keep them in here, I'll put them in some nice newspaper, wrap them up, and that means they'll keep nice and dry and give them a chance to breathe. So yeah, that is. So if there's any more left, yeah, I've got another one here that I can collect, and hopefully some nice ones, because I'm looking forward to these yellow ones setting seed, because I really do like the colour there. As you can see, they just need to dry out a little bit more. Yeah, as you can see, the yellow ones there. I do like the shape. These have been grown from seed and the form, and I really want to collect some of those seeds. As we move along, this one's a nice one. You can see there, nice little one. And actually one of my favourite is definitely this orangey red. As you can see, the insects really do love them. So these should be setting seed shortly. To show you, you get a lot of moisture in them. A lot. Some people squeeze that moisture out to let them dry a little bit quicker, and they don't want to rot. But we've had some really good dry weather lately, so hopefully they should dry out on their own. That's beautiful while we're here, absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I should be collecting some more seeds and sowing some more seeds just to check they're viable. So yeah, that's how to collect dahlia seeds. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, folks, and please keep yourself safe. Thank you, bye.